Manifest money and job. Before we get started, if you'd like a free manifestation program that has helped over 10,000 people to help you manifest anything you desire, click the link in the description below. Manifest money and job. Manifesting money can be very easy when you understand how money flows. Money manifesting is a matter of the mind, and the way you perceive the flow of money. It really doesn't matter if you are wealthy or poor, you can begin to start manifesting more money once you've educated your mind on the flow. Don't be fooled into believing that visualization is all you need. You also need to tap into your mind by using mental exercises that can source the location of money. Most people would be surprised to know just how powerful the mind is. Often they use the mind only in one way, but there are many ways of using the mind to go outside of your location. You can communicate with your inner mind to get answers, and to direct you. Recently I spoke with the woman who had just given birth to a child. Her husband had recently lost his job, and their financial situation was very grave. But, after applying a few techniques step by step, she was able to manifesting $10,000 in 2 weeks. This is not an uncommon or hard to practice technique. I suppose it is difficult if you haven't yet learned how to practice step by step the methods for manifesting money or anything else that you want. There are few things you can start to do to manifest more money even when you are broke. 1. One of the first things you can do is to take an inventory of your spending. 2. Is there anything you can do without having? 3. Give yourself a deadline for how long you can go on spending as little as you can. 4. Get centered and begin to ask the universe for answers. Be specific about exactly how much you want. 5. When the answer comes to you, immediately write it down. 6. Some action is definitely necessary. It's often when most people go wrong. Not all action is right action for manifesting money. The final step is to follow through. If the idea comes to your mind, definitely take the steps needed to manifest money that you want. Are you struggling to manifest the things you want in life? You know you want to live a positively abundant life, but there's one problem. It's hard. That is, until now. Today, I have a special free gift for you. It's a free manifestation program. Just click the link in the description below. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, leave a like on the video and subscribe to the channel if you're new, and get your free manifestation program by clicking the link in the description below.